a great 12-bar song that we can practice some of our 7th chord inversions and some of our extended chords as well. Now the original chords of this song are going to be C minor 7 for 2 bars, G minor 7, C7, F major 7, 2 bars, and then F minor 7, B flat 7, E flat major 7. Now E flat minor 7 for two beats, and then A flat 7 for 2 beats, and then D flat major 7 for 1 bar, and then in 1 bar again, or 2 beats, is going to be D minor 7 flat 5, and then G7 or G7 flat 9. So there we go. Those are the original songs. Now what I'm going to do is, for those first 2 measures of C minor 7, I'm going to be using my inversion on my 4th through 1st string set. This is going to be with my root note on the 3rd string. So it's almost going to look like an A minor chord with my pinky added up here on the 7th. So now on the 2nd C minor, I'm going to go down here to, it's going to be, my first finger is going to be barred. This is actually the root note here. I'm on the same string set, 1st through 4th, but now my root note is going to be here on the 2nd string. So 1. Now I'm going to be going to a G minor 9. This is with like my minor 7 bar chord, but with my pinky on the 1st string, 5th fret, 2 frets above my root. Then I'm going to be going to a C9. Then I'm going to be going to an open F major 7. Because even though it might be one of the first 7th chords you learned, I know it was for me, it's still a good kind of chord here. So let's go through those first 4 bars real quick. So that was our first bar of F major 7 right there. Next one we're going to do is we're just going to go to a root position, almost like a D major 7, up 3 frets on the first 4 string set, 1 through 4 string set. And now we're going to be going to an F minor 11 to a B flat 13. All right, so my F minor 11 is my root note on the 5th string, my B flat 13, my root note's on the 6th string right there. All right. Now we're going to be going to an E flat 6-9 right there. Next we have that short little burst of E flat minor 9 to A flat 13. That's what I'm going to substitute there. Minor 9, A flat 13 to either a D major 7 or a D6 9. I'm just going to keep it a D6 9 right here just because it sounds familiar from that E flat 6 9. And then to a D minor 7 flat 5, and then I'm going to go to a G7 flat 9, but my flat 9 is actually going to be a diminished chord. So those measures all together. So now here's the whole song with some of our extended chords and our inversions plugged in.